In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Deepseek's customer support team via the app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Deepseek. From here, make sure to sign in, and then we want to click on the two horizontal bars on the top left hand corner and then click into our profile. Now once we're inside the profile, if we scroll down, there's a contact us button. Go ahead and click onto contact us. Give it a few moments to load, and then it'll say, hi, how can we help you? And now the middle bottom of the page here, it says contact support. So go ahead and click on contact support. And from here, it's going to say, hi, what can we help with? So I suggest saying something else. And then in the message section here, just say, hey, I'd like to speak to one of your customer service or customer support team members, and they will go ahead and redirect you to the appropriate person to talk to.